Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Humi HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Humi HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in account.humi.ca and make a search. The official page of Humi HR's account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on Login. Enter your email address and tap on Continue. Enter a password associated with your Humi HR's account and tap on Continue. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Humi HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.